Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube comment history. So let's dive right into it. Once you have opened up your YouTube, go to the hamburger menu. If it is already open, then go to history. In this history option, you can see several YouTube videos that you have already watched. But we need this section currently right here. So in the manage all history, you can see an option named comments. Click into it. And there you go. You can see all the comments that is made from this account. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.